Hello, good day everyone, and welcome to this week's Make It Snappy session. You are here with Yashin from Modern OneSolve, and the feature I will be showing you how to use today is the Inventor sheet metal mirror command. So we have created a video very similar to this on our YouTube channel. I highly recommend that you go and check it out. It was using the mirror tool in the part environment, so it's very similar, and it does go through some additional options. But nonetheless, we are going to have a look at how the mirror tool works inside of the sheet metal environment. So the mirror tool is very handy because it allows you to leverage your existing model and just copy it essentially. So how does this work? There are a couple things that you'll need. That will be a component that's modeled or a piece of the component that's modeled, as well as a work plane to copy about, of course. And this work plane is one of the pre-existing ones that come from our origin folder called the YZ plane. There's no need for me to create a new plane, leverage what is already there, which will make things a little bit quicker. Okay, so what I want to do is copy this piece of material over the work plane. This can simply be done by using the mirror tool. So I'm going to head over to my mirror command, start it, and a dialog box will appear. The first definition is to choose my feature I'd like to copy. Once I've done that, I have to define a mirror plane. Okay, what am I going to copy across? And that will be that YZ plane that I can use as a reference. Once those items are selected, you'll notice that it does build another instance in the preview. I can simply confirm that, and we have our other sheet metal part. Okay, of course we'd like to join them, so an efficient way of doing this would be using the bend tool. We have used the bend tool before. It is on our YouTube channel, so please go check it out. And I'm going to bridge the gap between these two pieces of material by starting the bend command, selecting the two edges I'd like to join together, and confirm that input, and there we go. Those two sheets are essentially joined together. So what I'm going to do is go through another example of the mirror command, and I'll quickly create a flange on the right hand portion and just select apply. So I have created additional feature. I could go and create the flange on the other end. However, sometimes using the mirror tool is a lot quicker, especially if there's more than one feature that has to be copied across. And how do we do that? We start the mirror tool, choose our feature, then choose the plane we'd like to copy across, and simply select OK. And there you go. You'll notice that the flange does join with the opposite side, and everything's okay. So that's how you simply use the mirror tool inside of sheet metal. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that session. Stay tuned to our YouTube channel for more content.